What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. What we got today is just a little bit of a mystery. These are our front porch lights, and they're about 4 years old. I'm gonna do a little cleaning up on them before I put them back on. The issue we're having is one of the lights shuts off every night, say around 1 o'clock in the morning, every night, and it doesn't come back on until the next night. There's nothing wrong with the electrical. I've already looked into that. These lights have a lot of settings. They're motion sense, so they get dim and bright when they sense motion. They're dusk dawn lights as well, and they also have a timer. So when they come on at dusk, you can have them go off at 3 hours, 6 hours, and I think that's about it. So I don't want to buy new lights. They're expensive. There's nothing wrong with these other than they need to be cleaned up. So what we're going to do today is bypass all the electronics, and I have a light bulb that has a dusk dawn sensor in it. So we're going to use that for our dusk dawn now instead of the electronics in the light. All right, so looking at the back, we're gonna get this opened up here. It's got 2 Phillips head screws. I'm gonna take these out real quick. This is all the electronic stuff that runs it, and then the sensor, the dusk dawn sensor's up here. There it is. Okay. So the wires we're going to be interested in keeping are just the white wire that's coming out of here and the black wire. The rest of these wires can be removed. I'm going to install this back in again just to keep wasp, bugs, and stuff, because it does have these exposed holes at the bottom where the settings are. So what we'll do is go ahead and start snipping some wires here. We're just going to cut this black. So we're going to cut the black wire right here. The gray wire goes to the dusk dawn, or the motion sensor, which we don't need it no more either. Install this back in there just to keep bugs out, or whatever gets up in there. And that's gonna be it. So these wires will hook up to the house like a normal light would. The dusk dawn light bulb will take care of the off and on of the light. So we're gonna repeat that for the other light. I've done this on my 2 back porch lights as well. They were kind of strange. They only lit when there was motion, and they only stayed for like, I don't know what it was, like a minute or 3 minutes. It was kind of strange. And then they would just turn back off. So I want to run the light and have the light remain on when I want it on. So I did the same thing to those lights. I just gutted it, took everything out, and bought a dusk dawn light bulb. So there you go. If you ever experience the same kind of mystery like I've been doing, this should take care of it. We're gonna get them cleaned up, get them put back on the house. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments. Please subscribe, like, share, ring that bell. See you next time.